Get out here.
Mommy hit me. Mommy hit me.
Are you ready to be done? Eat your food first.
I don't want spaghetti or any of that on my plate. That was so cute.
Ivania, you just asked me for spaghetti the other day.
No.
Didn't you?
I want to go to the bathroom now because I got to really bad.
Just eat your food and then you can go. What? Huh? I can't understand you. What? What?
It's an emergency!
Oh, it's an emergency? Then eat your food quickly. Get on the chair. Get on the chair now.
I don't want spaghetti!
I'm sorry. You can still eat it. You need to eat that food.